how do you wear your religion? Do you is it ritual for you? Is it devotion that's private? It is conversations in your heart? क्या है religion आपके लिए?
It will be purely controversial because I don't know if I should say this. It should not put my family in trouble. But I believe in nature, and I think I get inspired by observing animals the most. Instead of choosing religion or spirituality, I feel like what I connect with is freedom. And I think we as humans have gotten so attached to religion that it is taking us towards darkness.
So, madam, you have spoken like a Advait Vedantic saint. That is Advait Vedanta. Hinduism at its core. All of us are connected, especially the elements. What you said, animals, sun, moon, stars, this world.
Yeah.
And that is our religion. When you're one with them, you're dancing. वही तो हमें सीखना है तो आप क्यों घबरा रही हैं? You
I think ये
teach
जो
us.
I think जो लेबल्स हो चुके हैं ना, उससे हम इतना डिवाइड करते हैं ना अपने आप को, यू आर दिस, आई एम दिस, मैं ये हूँ वो हूँ। तो ये जो हमने इतनी लाइंस ड्रॉ कर ली है ना कि मैं एक लड़की हूँ, मैं डांसर हूँ, ये लेबल्स ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो गए हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ अस थिंकिंग दैट वी आर वन, वो बहुत ही इट्स बिकम अ डिस्टेंट रियलिटी कि हम मानेंगे ही नहीं। हमने सोच लिया अरे आप ये हो, आप वो हो, वहीं पे ही लाइन ड्रॉ हो गई है। सो आई लाइक टू नॉट स्पीक अबाउट इट ओनली। आई थिंक वो हम अपने आप को इवॉल्व ही नहीं करना चाहते, और
No,
हमसे
you
ज़्यादा तो बहुत आगे तो एनिमल्स चले गए हैं।
नहीं नहीं हम लोग हैं आगे पर पीछे चले गए मुड़ गए हैं।
हाँ,
तो अब आपकी जिंदगी में यू नाउ अचीव्ड अ लॉट you give back a lot. Is it time for India to realize that you can be single and be perfectly fine? Or sometimes, I'm single for the first time in 30 plus years. I look at it as मैं पहले भी पिंजरे में था, अभी भी पिंजरे में हूँ.
व्हाई डू यू से पिंजरा?
So, we humans, love is when you're with somebody, there are pabandi. You have to think about the other. You're alone, you're to footloose and fancy free, dancing away. When you're with somebody, you have to worry. उस समय पलंग के साइड सोना है, इस तरफ सोना है, खुराटे मारे नहीं मारे, खाने को जाएं. There are
करेक्ट,
these things. I'm calling those the cage.
करेक्ट।
But I'm single for the first time in 30 years. I'm still in a cage. अब मेरे को लगता है कि मेरे को sometimes I'm not as free as you, not as perfect as you. कि
कम
मेरे को
ऑन, नो नो नो, कम ऑन।
so
बट
are
व्हाई
you?
यू फीलिंग दिस केज?
I'm not. I'm enjoying
Ah,
being
okay, okay,
single.
yes, I know it.
But sometimes I wish there was somebody to come home to in that bed just
Hmm,
to watch a Netflix show with.
okay.
You don't have those
Mhm.
nights where you wish you makhana khate khate zindagi khatam.
I love my nephew because my sister lives close by.
Neeti.
नीति दीदी, कितनी बार तो मैं साइकिलिंग करके चली जाती हूँ, एंड देन आई प्ले विद हिम एंड आई एम डन, लाइक आई एम जस्ट सो
पूरा
हैप्पी।
प्यार मिल गया जो
हाँ,
चाहिए था.
एंड देन आई एम विद at my studio and I have so many children over there to take care of. I come home and I'm fulfilled. I don't feel the need that I need. As a dancer, I sleep like full aisa. There is no space for another person. The bed will be down. So I don't think I can share my space with anyone. I really love it.
How did you reach this elevated stage? हमारे जो संत वगैरह की हम बातें बताते हैं, they've lived alone in the jungles, one
हाँ,
with nature, one with the animals. You're saying
हाँ,
we shouldn't be afraid of.
yeah.
You're literally like I'm looking at the Ramcharitmanas and the little dohas there and the chand and the chaupai. कि आपकी जिंदगी वो वाली है. You're
Vanvas.
totally comfortable like that.
Huh, I think I feel liberated. Like don't feel the need to, and you know that what is the most difficult part is to convince people that you're happy. They're like, no, 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 we will find someone for you. No, no, no. I'm like, why you want to ruin someone else's life? Because
Is marriage ruining somebody else's
no, no,
life?
no. I'm saying because I am so blissed out in my space and I'm so happy. Why do people feel that there is a need to have someone by your side all the time? If someone comes along and makes sense and gives you that much space, okay, great. I am not shutting that possibility down. But then to constantly keep seeking that, oh, my life is like so sad. I need a boyfriend. Like, why do you constantly have to have someone? That perception's been created. लाइक कि वो टेम्पलेट है कि एक अब होना चाहिए, फिर एक बच्चा होना चाहिए। आई थिंक व्हाई डू पीपल क्रिएट दैट?
Do we need roles of what a masculine man is, what a feminine woman is? Isn't there a blur between the two? So why are we allowing the West to tell us कि ऐसा box होना है, मर्द ये है, औरत वो है? What are your thoughts
आई
on
थिंक
this?
इट कम्स फ्रॉम अ स्पेस ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी। अगर मुझे ऐसा लगता है लाइक माय नेम इज शक्ति, तो आई वाज बुलीड through my school, Shakti Kapoor, Au, and Tan Ki Shakti, Man Ki Shakti, Born Vita. People used to like scream whenever I used to cross in my school. So then I used to be like, then someone also told me that your parents must really hate you to name Shakti. So for the longest time, I hated my name. Like all my sisters' name, Neeti, Mukti, Kriti, they are such beautiful names. I'm like, why did you give me this name? Even in the ration card, the government written Neeti, Putri, Kriti, Putri, Shakti, Putra, and Mukti Putri. I'm like, why are they calling me? Everywhere in my boarding pass is like Mr. Shakti Mohan. Like, why do people assume that Shakti is a man's name? And
No,
Ma
Devi
Shakti,
Shakti,
Devi
Ma,
Shakti.
yeah.
But they associate Shakti with only men. Like, men have the power. So,
But a man doesn't have power when he doesn't own his feminine. Because, we are the XY chromosome.
yes.
What are your thoughts on that? Because I think you're alluding to that.
Yes, I think वही जो लोगों की परसेप्शन है ना कि ये एक टेम्पलेट बना दिया है अ मैन इज दिस अ वुमन इज दिस इफ यू डोंट फिट इन यू आर एन आउटकास्ट and then you have to fight all your life to kind of being accepted. So, like you asked about making what constitutes a man, what is masculine, what is feminine. तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Like if I start behaving manly, वो बहुत अलग energy है. And a lot of people come and tell me it's very intimidating being around you. Nobody can come and hit on you. Like you don't feel like you're accessible. I'm like, why do I need to be accessible? I don't want to be accessible. Ki like everyone
I'm
can
not
come and
sure,
hit
yeah.
on me. I'm like, stay away from me. I don't want to talk to you. So they feel like because I'm a woman and maybe on my set, I'm the only judge because there are more male representatives in the industry, and so you have to be the glamour factor. So that became a little like, why do I have to be the glamour factor? Isn't my talent enough? So that used to put a lot of pressure on me that what is Shakti wearing? We need to check her outfit. And men can wear whatever. I'm like, that is very frustrating. That, she needs to wear this and heels and like jewelry and something bling. I'm like, these guys are just wearing jackets, what I would wear on rehearsal. But I need to be dressed up like that. That's a lot of pressure all the time to be, looking a certain way. Somehow my talent is just not enough. That I won a show is just not enough. So there are definitely a lot of battles that me and my sisters we face in the industry being women. That we need to kind of like put in a little more effort, being presentable and looking the certain way for people to accept us.
So if you were to now pivot and say अब डांस बहुत हो गया क्योंकि आप प्लान ahead करती हैं, will you marry or will you write a book of poetry or will you start singing to give your sister a run for her money? Which one of these will you pick?
I'm planning to write a book.
Wow,
Yes, you won. How did you know?
your life, it's a beautiful journey. So
Oh,
tell me about
thank
this
you.
book.
I'm planning to write a book which so when I was starting off as a dancer, I was clueless. And I think many dancers even today, because it's not an organized industry, people don't know what they're getting into. So I want to lay down everything that I faced every step of the way.